What's up YouTube? Welcome to Orange Juice. Today, first of all, let me say I have not uploaded a video since 2.5 months. Okay, because I was busy. So today I'm going to talk about the topic blue whale, which is very trending. I'll say everything from where it started, all the details, all. It was started by a person in Russia who was a psycho. Actually, he was studying psychology and he was removed from the college in 2013. His name is Philip Budikin. He made this game, the Blue Whale. It is known with many names like Wake Me Up at 4:20 p.m. a.m. and what was one? A Silent House and The Dark House. There are so many. A Sea of Whales. There are so many names here. And it was started in Russia, and there was from November 2015 to April 2016. 130 Russian died, and they all were teenagers. So actually they find a person who is really depressed and are not mentally strong. So there were 130 Russians who died and they all were teenagers. So they find a person who is really depressed and mentally not strong. So as said, it has started in Russia. There is rumor that it is found on a website www.popcorncarnival.com, and there is a video on YouTube made by Ria Via Manford. It has complete basic. So first task it wake up at 4:20 p.m. and watch horror videos with psychedelic which curator sent you, and car F57. See, like this, F57. And then and until the day 49 the game lasts long for only 50 days, and until the day 49 it brainwashes your mind. So don't play this game. Don't even dare to search the Popcorn Carnival, please. You will die. I'm not joking. So if you start this game, you can't quit it. Means if you try to quit the game, they will say you that you have all your informations and they will come after you and they can harm you. So I have a very big request that don't ever touch or play this game, please. I'm letting you see my AC. Dun, dun, dun. Back to the topic. So this game was started in 2013 and it was lasting long from 2015 2017, and it is named Blue Whale because in some year there were so many blue whales, or 91 or 51, I don't know the exact number. They died. You can't say that blue whales died. That's why this game is known as Blue Whale. There are multiple names, as I said already. The motive of them is already to kill you. And this Philip Budikin said that they all are who don't have rights to live in this country are all biological waste, and I'm just cleaning them, only cleaning them. He's crazy, and he studied psychology. He's in the jail now, piecing this Chucky. So, and at the end, I'm just saying that don't play this game. If there is more information, I'll make a part 2. Okay? Done. And thumbs up and subscribe. Please subscribe.